What's poppin', y'all? I am back on the streets of Istanbul again with the sun in my eyes. So I'm back out here again because today I wanted to try out two foods that a lot of local people kept telling me to try out. One of them is called Kelle Paça and the other one is called Şırdan. To be honest, I don't really know much about what these foods are going to be. I was just told that they're shocking. I heard a rumor that the first one is like some kind of brain soup or something, and then the other one, if I remember correctly, it's like, I don't even know, stuffed sheep intestine. So I don't know, I like to try new things, so I'm out here, I'm going to try this out. First step is crossing the road, and also, as usual, I gotta always say, don't expect this stuff to be too interesting, because I'm just doing it to push my comfort zone again. So yeah, let's see what happens. Super hard to get around because there's so many people, because it's Friday. So super crowded, and I've never been to this place before either, so I don't really know what to expect, so this should be more interesting. Also, on a random side note, right before I got out here and started recording, I was feeling super nervous and I was about to just not do it. But as with every single video I filmed before this, as soon as I got out, it feels easy. So it's super crowded, a lot of people are staring, but soft, so it should be cool. We got the fish markets over here. Some construction that's going on in the city over here. Okay, to be honest, I don't really even know where I'm going, so finding this place should be interesting. Just have a rough idea. Apparently, it's right beside. We got some Turkish dogs. They're always super cute out here. Anyway, from what I saw on the map, it's supposed to be a few minutes away from where I started. So hopefully this won't take too long. And look, we got all the shops out here and everything. I'm in an area called Kadıköy. I should have said that at the beginning. I really like this area because it's really lively. And I don't know, whenever I'm inside and kind of feel a bit burnt out, then I walk outside, I feel alive because there's always so many people out here. Got a lot of restaurants out here and everything. Okay, so the place is supposed to be close by to this place now, where I am now. Turkey has a lot of little bookstores like this, you guys can see. Never properly checked one of those out, but I don't know, they seem cool. Okay, so from my understanding, I'm getting closer. Gotta be super careful out here not to bump into people. Okay, I gotta admit, I'm officially lost. Thought I knew the way, but apparently not. Might have to ask someone. I've been working on my Turkish, so if I do have to ask in the end, hopefully this will be easier. Okay, I'm super lost, so I'm gonna cut this for a bit, and then when I have more of an idea of where I'm going, then I'll magically reappear. Alright, so according to the map, I'm apparently on the right street. I just gotta find the actual place. So the first time I went up that street that was back there, I apparently walked right past it. So I checked the map and I came back down, and then yeah, apparently it's somewhere nearby here. Super confusing because I've never been here before. Okay, so I don't know if it's the right place, but I'm check it out. Merhaba. Burada Kelle Paça var mı?
Kelle paça çorbası mı?
Evet.
Var abi.
Var. Ve burada çekebilir miyim?
Tabii ki.
Okay. Bu çekebilir miyim?
Tabii.
Okay.
Bir kenar bundan kelle paça yapıyor.
Okay. At the restaurant, they have some vegetables here, and these are, I guess, where the soups are going to be. So I asked. They told me they do have Kelle Paça, so it should be cool. Abi, ve burada Şırdan var mı?
Şırdan da var.
Çok iyi. Okay. All right, so they have everything I'm looking for, so I'm ready. I'm actually super hyped. All right. Let's do this as usual. Alright, so I think I have to wait until the menu arrives. And once the menu arrives, I'll see what's popping on the menu, and then I'll order something. And then hopefully this ends up turning out interesting. It's the first time I've done this in a while, so I don't even know what to expect. So I hope that the finished product ends up being something that's at least mildly interesting. But as I always say, the main goal here is to push my comfort zone, and my heart's beating super fast. My hands are shaking a little bit. So it's doing the trick. I feel good. It makes me feel alive. Super exciting. Anyway, let's do this. Okay, so one mistake I made before coming is I ate not too long ago, so I'm not starving. So this should be interesting. So I don't know how big the portions of all of this stuff are going to be. So I'm not really sure if I should just get the soup now and then the Şırdan next time, or if I should get both, or if I should just be adventurous and just take the rest home. So I'm gonna have to wait and see. Abi, menü kart var. Menü kart var mı? Menü kart?
Değil.
Okay, sonra da. Okay. Bugün benim birinci kez önce Kelle Paça yemedim. Ama bugün bu yemek istiyorum. Ama okay. Okay, sadece bir tane porsiyon Kelle Paça ve Şırdan. Bu büyük mü? Küçük. Okay, bir tane porsiyon Kelle Paça ve bir tane porsiyon Şırdan. Evet. Çok teşekkür. Alright, so I double checked to see the size of the portions, and he told me that the portion of Şırdan is not too big, so I'm gonna just try it out. Let's see how this goes. Because I am not too hungry, but let's see. Anyway. Okay. Çok heyecanlı. Okay. You guys, he's putting the spice on. Bu ne?
Kimyon abi.
Kimyon. Anladım. Okay, so he put
Ben de ipini çekiyorum.
Mhm.
Evet.
Okay.
Afiyet olsun abi.
Çok teşekkürler. Alright. So, we are ready to do this. I don't know where to angle this so I can get everything in the shot. Let's do it up. Okay, so he put, I cannot remember the name, so paprika, and I think it's cumin? I forget what the English word for that, that's why it's supposed to, but anyway, let's do it. This is something I've never tried before, so I have no idea what to expect, so I don't even know how to start. Okay, so when I cut into it, I see that there is what appears to be rice. As y'all can see, there appears to be rice on the inside. Alright, let's see. It has an interesting smell. It reminds me a little bit of the smell of kokoreç. So that should be interesting. Alright. So, eating rice wrapped in sheep intestines in Turkey. Okay, I apologize for being a messy here. I'm gonna use my hands here. Okay, so as I bite into this, I can definitely taste all of these spices in here. The cumin and the paprika, it's definitely spicy, and it definitely has a very strong flavor. The only thing I can compare it to is kokoreç. I like it though. So far, I like it. It just feels like a more like kokoreç with a bit of a stronger flavor. Kokoreç has a lot of spices in it and everything, so I don't always taste the meat that much. But in this case, I can really taste the meat a lot. And it's good. It's really tender. It tastes quite juicy, and the rice is seasoned really well. So yeah, I dig it. I'm gonna try it with the lemon now. Okay, the lemon's definitely super good with that. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this, and I'll be back when the soup arrives. Alright y'all, so I'm making my way through this. The bread has just arrived. Ooh, and the soup. Okay, check it out. So, this is the Kelle Paça, the soup. So, bu ne? Bunlar ne?
Sarımsak, sirke.
Anladım. Okay, check it out.
Çorba yapacağız.
Okay. Alright y'all, I'm ready for this. Alright. Although I haven't finished the Şırdan, I'm gonna try the soup first. I'm super curious to see what this is gonna be like. To be honest, so this is what I have. So I got the soup. I got some lettuce and lemons. I have bread. And I think one of these is vinegar. I didn't understand, but I have a bad habit of just saying yes even when I don't understand. It's gonna get me. I'm gonna end up eating something I don't want to one day because of that. Anyway, let's do this. So normally I always try to add extra stuff to soup, like lemon or spicy pepper. But because I've never tried this before, I'm just gonna try it and see what it needs. So this is also really good. I don't really know what to compare it to. Yeah, let me try more. Okay, definitely soup that I would like more with lemon. So just toss some lemon in there. Let's give that a good mix. Okay, that's super blessed. I'm digging it. Let me try some of the meat now. So far I like it. So far I'm digging it. A lot of people told me they were kind of scared to try this, but I'm eating it, and I'm digging it. I really like this. So in the end, it does taste like I can definitely taste the lamb. So it tastes like lamb soup. But whatever seasoning you put in the soup, it's really good. So I really do enjoy it. The flavor of this is definitely not as strong as the flavor of the Şırdan. It's more mild, but the meat is really tender. The broth is really good, and comes with bread. So I'm gonna have to take the rest of that to go home because I'm not hungry enough to eat all of this. But yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Yok. Ama ekmek için bir tane poşet alabilir miyim lütfen? Teşekkürler. Okay, I finished everything. The servers are super good, so I didn't get a chance to show the damage. At the end, they were very quick at cleaning up the plates, which was very nice of them. So, I just asked, as you guys can see, they don't play around with the bread out here. We got a lot of bread out here. A lot of bread. So there's no way I'm gonna be able to eat all of this right now. This is enough bread for a few people. So I'm gonna get check it out. Check it out. So I got a bag. And to end the trip I got some Turkish tea. So I'm gonna drink that and I'll be on my way. Anyone who comes to Turkey, you should try Turkish tea. It's really, really good. It's one of my favorite things about the country. Always tastes fantastic. Just the only thing, I'm trying to cut down on the sugar because I used to always put 3 or 4 sugars in here into these, but I'm trying to cut down because I know it's not healthy to be doing that. So I'm going with 1 or none nowadays. Anyway, I'm gonna finish the tea and then I'm gonna go check it out. So I'm gonna finish the tea and then I'll be on my way. Okay, I'll finish up the tea. Got the bread to go. So I gotta go pay and then I'm out. So once again, I highly recommend all this stuff. Super good. Kelle Paça itself and the soup, both really good. Highly recommend. Okay, kredi kart olacak. Hesap çok güzeldi. Çok sevdim. Okay, I just paid. I'm just waiting for it to go through. It ended up coming up to 79 lira for the Kelle Paça, the soup, the tea, the bread, and everything. So yeah, everyone always asks me about prices and everything. So yeah, that was the price. Check it out. Okay, you do that. All right, and I'm out. All right. So, yeah, that was the main highlight of the day. So I'm probably going to cut it off now. I just wanted to try both of those foods, and I wanted to do it in a way that would push my comfort zone. So, yeah, I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Yeah, it was super good. I definitely recommend that place. But yeah, I'm gonna cut it off here. If you guys like that, then let me know in the comments, and I'll try and get out and do more stuff. If you guys have any food recommendations, that'd be pretty useful too, because I never really know what to try. Because I'm always down to go out and push my comfort zone, but I don't really know what to do when I'm out, because I don't like to go and walk without a destination. So yeah, if you guys have any food recommendations, just let me know, and then I'll do my best to go and check everything out. But anyway, for now, I'm just going to cut that off, and then I'll try and do more soon. Thanks for watching.